There are multiple scenarios where you need to add content to your product descriptions. It could be PDF product manuals, social media posts or giveaway contests, or user-generated content. With EmbedAny, you can easily embed videos, slides, or posts right inside your product descriptions. Here's how. Just make sure EmbedAny is activated in the App Embed section before starting. So firstly, select the desired product. Go to the Products section in your Shopify dashboard. Select any product from the list and open it for editing. Now, copy the link to your content, come back to your product page and paste it in the description box. Now, the most important step, italicize the pasted link. It's very important to make the link italic, otherwise, it won't get converted into a widget. Now go ahead and save the product. EmbedAny will automatically turn that link into a live, interactive widget on your product page. It's that simple. Your product description can now feature videos, presentations, posts, or anything you wish to showcase to make your products more dynamic and trustworthy.